Hi everyone and welcome to Cooking with Keri. Today we're going to make my lemon loaf recipe. It is basic and everyone loves it. I take it to nearly every event and people think it's a great hit. The challenge is that it's super duper easy, and if they knew what was in it, they wouldn't be as impressed. Anyways, it tastes great. So first thing you put in it is a lemon cake batter. Dry powder, put that in. Next thing you add is vanilla pudding, 1 package, mix it up. Add in 1/2 cup of oil, 1 cup of water, and 4 eggs. Yeah, that's it. I know, you think, why are we doing a video on this? It's because I've been asked to do it because everyone loves it. So here it is. Now it can be your great thing that you bring to any potluck as well. All right, there we go. 4th egg in, and now we're going to mix. Okay, so now I've been mixing that for 2 minutes. It is ready to put in our pans. Normally I put it into 2 bread pans, but today I'm going to do 1 bread pan and then also use these great mini loaf pans. And I've already sprayed them with vegetable oil. You can use whatever you want to spray those down, and we're going to pour them into individual containers. Okay, so what we're going to do now is pour these pans about halfway full. Sorry, the finger is the scraping tool that works best. It is definitely messy, but my fingers are clean. Okay, the spoon was way too messy, so I went to that. So now I'm just going to top them up, each one, and make sure they're just half full. So normally I put this into 2 bread pans, but today, because I'm going to give some of these away to friends, I've decided to do them in individual pans. So the entire mixture fit into this 1 pan. It's normally 45 minutes for the 2 loaves, so I'm gonna have to watch this a little bit closer to see what the cooking instructions are, but just make sure that when you're poking a toothpick into the center, that it comes out clean, and then you know that it's done. So 2 loaf pans, which I would normally use, just regular bread pans, for 45 minutes at 325. So our lemon loaves have been cooking now for about 30 minutes, and they are ready to come out. Okay, we'll put them there for them to cool. And then the next step is to put the lemon glaze on top. So what makes the lemon loaf awesome is the glazed icing that goes on afterwards. You take 1 cup of icing sugar and add 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now I'm sure you could use fresh lemon juice. I just use the lemon juice you can get at the store. Okay, so you take that all, mix it up. It's nice and mixed in. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour it over the lemon loaf and just let it do a nice glaze. Okay, just about mixed in there. Okay, and here we go. And this is what gives the lemon loaf the extra sweet taste that everybody loves. And then let that dry before serving, and enjoy.